Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install ChatGPT for Google Sheets. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for docs.google.com. Now, create a new sheet and you will be redirected to this type of page. Here, click on the Extensions tab at the top of the screen and select Get Add-ons from the drop-down menu. After that, search for GPT in the search bar located at the top of the pop-up and then select this result. Now, open this extension and install it onto your Google Sheets. It will ask you for some permissions, simply permit them, and that's it. After the installation is done, a dialog box will start appearing at the right side of the page. Now, in order to use the AI, start typing in the appropriate commands. For starters, I will enter this command and you can see that the chatbot is working flawlessly. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.